In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix League of Legends lobby creation error. Let's get started. First, launch the game and select TFT from the game mode section. Once you're in, look for the quick play option and click on it. From there, you should be able to add your friends or other players into your lobby easily. Just click on the plus icon to invite your friends and your party will start forming. Next, click on the arrow icon and navigate through the available game modes. You'll see a section where your party has already been created on the right side, which confirms that your lobby is active and ready. In case this solution didn't work out for you, sign out of your account and sign back in. Likewise, navigate to taskbar, right-click on it, click on the option Task Manager. Now here, search for League of Legends or the Riot client. Right-click on it and select the option End Task. Make sure you close all the related League of Legends processes. Once everything is closed, restart the game and try creating your lobby again. In many cases, this helps fix glitches or bugs preventing lobby creation, and that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.